Hey, how's it going? So, this is a memory that I've been looking forward to sharing with everyone for some time now. Moments like these are, in my opinion, what make riding on the street so fun. You have all these different personalities, riding styles, riding preferences, and bike types together, just enjoying the simplicity of having fun on a familiar road. Overall, we're just flowing. Flowing is probably one of the greatest feelings in life, regardless of whatever it is you're doing. At its core, everything just clicks, and it really just makes the time fly. So, coming up in a few minutes, you'll see that the rider in front on the CBR 1000RR actually ends up losing their phone and wallet out of their pocket. I'll chime back in a few minutes to explain what happens, but let's just say that due to an extreme amount of luck and timing, we were fortunately able to recover the rider's belongings. Yeah, so I don't know how many of you caught that, but that was actually the rider's phone and wallet kind of flying out of their side pocket and separating on the road. It's one of those phone and wallet combos. But you can kind of see here that the wallet is airborne along with the phone, which is separating from its case, I believe. Surprisingly, there was no damage to the rider's phone, but they both did fly over the embankment. So what happened there was, you know, I was behind, but that little pause caused there to be a big enough gap where I knew that if I stopped, I wasn't going to be able to catch up and tell them where the wallet flew out, so I wouldn't remember. But thankfully, what happened was there was that car there behind me had actually also witnessed it flying out, and another rider came along and found the case, and then they both looked in the area and they were able to find the wallet and the phone and the other cards and stuff in there. So, really happy with this outcome. It just took a lot of awareness on everyone's end that did see that happen, and it just shows how much we really are kind of in tune with our equipment and stuff, where we know that, hey, that's not a normal thing to see, come flying off of someone's bike. But overall, I just thought this could be a good lesson and a reminder, because there's been rides that I've gotten home and realized, like, whoa, my pocket with my wallet in it has been open this whole time. And so it can kind of just be a reminder, and also a tip too, to maybe separate those items. I know it's really big that people like to have the convenience of everything all in one, but maybe separating those cards or wallet and phone. That way, if you lose one, you don't lose them both, because nowadays it's like you lose your phone, it's already a big enough of a burden, and you lose your wallet, and it's a huge one. So overall, really happy with this outcome. Everyone's awareness, and it's just really good to be out and enjoy the road when everybody has the time to. So being able to end it on a positive note and just kind of have a laugh at it and look back on it, it's all good times. So as always, I appreciate all of you for stopping by and riding along, and stay safe out there.
I left my pocket open.
Yeah, I saw it fly out. It has to be his phone.
Yeah. This is my wallet. It popped like this.
Where was it?
I don't know. These guys said
It was on a corner. So your buddy found this.
Huh?
And he was like, it's around here somewhere.